video?
We're going all the way out to Oklahoma City.
Oh, my.
We got a pursuit.
Oh, let's see this one. I'm the con reform, but this guy's crazy. Come on.
Let's do it. Whoa, it's nighttime.
Yeah. He's cruising.
I think he's not worried about the stop signs, Dave.
No. Well, you can't when you're in a pursuit. Oh, watch this feller.
Oh, poor guy mind his own business.
Buddy. This guy's getting it. He's running down a residential. Don't look like the most classiest area.
Yeah, Dave.
Buddy.
Oklahoma City, that's big time over there.
I'm just saying, it looks like it might be, middle class, lower middle class neighborhood. I don't know. Just saying. Somewhere I'd live. It's not like Naples.
Oh, another stop sign.
He's like, I'll stop at this
All right,
one.
here's his chance to pit him. See if he's going to pit him. Whoa!
Good job. Good job.
Ooh.
Oh, well, maybe not. Oh, he even missed the fire hydrant. I'd have hit the fire hydrant and get water everywhere.
Yeah, it made it look good.
Yeah.
We only got one choice.
Go for it.
Yeah, buddy.
He smoked right past that guy.
Oh. It's the one on the right, buddy.
He right up the front lawn.
His car might be malfunctioning. Oh, no, here we go. He's getting on it.
Whoops.
That's not how you turn in a high-speed
half
pursuit.
his car's falling off up front.
Yeah,
Looks like we were at the racetrack like this weekend.
Yeah, buddy. Garage gals. This could. What are you hitting your brakes for, pal?
He gonna put his blinker on, maybe. Nope.
But why hit your brakes? He should have just took that. Swerving in the right.
Dave, what'd you do when you used to outrun the popo?
I didn't hit my brakes and turn that corner like that.
Stop.
Buddy, you might want to ask around. I would have hit that curve sideways, son.
You got to call a friend
But they're all in jail. They got to call us collect.
to verify.
They got to call us collect to tell me, bro. They got to call us.
Reform.
Hey,
Oh!
Look at you. See?
You almost.
This fella can't drive that great. He probably don't have a driver's license like me. 20 years later, I got mine. He's flying down that little side road.
He's getting it.
He probably not as going as fast as we think, though.
They used to have the speed limit come up on the dash cam. Not anymore. They got rid of that.
They don't do it.
Lawsuit.
Yeah, I bet.
He's getting it.
But he's probably not going that fast, so.
Well, it said he got up to 62. I think he's doing that. Well over 62 right now.
Buddy,
Or at the
62
straightaway.
is not a high-speed chase.
No.
I did 62 without a driver's license when I was following you.
You get your driver's license?
Yeah. Sure do. I do have an endorsement. I'm supposed to wear glasses. I tried to pass that.
You want to go anyway.
Wait. All I got to do is watch our reels. You'll see why. You'll see why I got an endorsement, that left Louie, we call him. Left eye Louie.
He got shit flying all over the place. That front. Look like NASCAR.
He's going, buddy.
Oh, smoke.
He hit a dip.
Flame sparks.
He wasn't ready for that.
I like that one. The bottom car bottom.
Yeah, when they bums up.
He's pretty good. I'll give him driving.
Nah, I don't think so. He's just driving out of desperation.
Well, that's what that pursuit is.
Well, yeah, I know that, smarty pants.
Oh,
But
that's
listen,
a more.
I'm saying when he hits them bumps, he might not know where he's at either. You know what I'm saying? He might.
Oh.
This feller.
Oh.
Uh-oh. That feller don't look too young in there, though.
I think he's in his 60s.
What's he doing, buddy? He was late for bingo.
Listen, I'm impressed with that officer. He kind of waited instead of rushing up on the car. A lot of times he'll get those traffic stops, adrenaline's pumping, boom.
And he went around the backside,
he
too.
He did a good job.
That's pretty smart. This guy's squared away.
That guy, what's that guy got on? Is he got like a?
He's just
He
squared
got
away.
like a vest or?
Buddy,
what's
he's squared
It looks like he's got a tank top.
away.
Okay. I see his shirt. He is squared away, man.
Squared
That guy,
away,
like, get the high and tight.
He's squared away. Oh, there's two of them in there.
This guy's getting out like he's going.
Your boy's like, they got my order wrong.
That's Bill Cosby. Holy shit.
He's like, Theo.
That's Bill Cosby.
Walk backwards towards that side of my car now.
He threw his keys up on the
He's like, it's over, bro.
It's over.
Your boy's like, look
He's
at
like,
him.
It's over. It's over.
Walk backwards.
He's like, well,
Look at Beetlejuice.
easy.
Didn't even do nothing to him. I was impressed with that.
Yeah,
His
the cops level-headed,
his ass,
man.
His ass is hanging out right now.
Yeah, he's got bats. He's got bats in the cracks.
He got blurred out.
He's got bats in the cracks. It's Halloween.
trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Actually, the cop has good self-control. But that
did.
wasn't the craziest high-speed chase. He only went to 60 miles an hour.
Well, he's a 62-year-old man. Said he got up to 65. It says 65. So
Yeah, he's an old fella.
But yeah,
What's he thinking?
And this happened out Oklahoma City. So
Yeah, I mean, he did all right. The cop did all right. He brought him down.
yeah, professional, good driving. I think he stayed with him pretty good. Bad guy probably didn't know where he was going.
Bad guy wasn't the best.
He wasn't worried about the stop signs, which is seriously dangerous. But later in the evening, so it looked like it was a good time to pursue. Ended up crashing some poor guy's vinyl fence.
Yeah, you come out the next morning, you're just mad.
No fence. Shit.
You ever crash into a fence, chase somebody?
No, never crashed.
I've crashed into a fence before.
Did you?
Yes, sir.
Tell us how that happened, buddy.
I was driving through a town, buddy, and I was trying to get away, and I turned right, and I went through the thing, hit the guy's corner of the fence, busted a left, and out.
Did you keep going?
I got out. I actually got out and ran.
Did you get away?
I got away then.
Okay.
They got me later, but I got away that night because the car was in my name. Where am I going?
Well,
I just didn't go to jail that night.
Did you make the phone call? Say someone stole my car.
Nah, I didn't do that that time. I quit telling
Someone
you my
stole-
stories,
someone
man. You recording this?
Shit, I've been doing this for a long time. We know all the stuff. Someone stole my car. I don't know what happened to it.
Hey.
Oh, I didn't. You go home, you lay down. Oh, I didn't know. Where's my car? Sir, you
What?
know where your car
Sir?
is? No, I have no idea where my car
Mr.
is.
Cravens, where's your car? I'm like, it isn't at the gym. That's where I got picked up at.
Yeah.
It was parked out there.
And my girlfriend picked me up at the gym.
Yeah, we were watching Titanic. Call the cheerleaders.
Looking at me at the front of the boat. Okay.
Buddy.
Yeah, some bullshit stories you guys say. Bullshit
I can
stories.
tell you a story about the cheerleaders.
Damn
but
criminals and clowns.
the cheerleaders would lie at any time, but they really wasn't cheerleaders.
Yeah, they weren't cheerleaders.
No, they were biggins.
They biggins.
They'll tell whatever I tell them. So. I said, I was at the cheerleader's house.
Squared away, officers, buddy.
Buddy.
These guys are squared away.
Cops were squared away.
Professional all the way through. Didn't
They
lose
drove
it.
good.
Didn't jump up on the
Hey,
traffic
the
stop.
real good thing of this video is that cop, he could have jumped out and ran over, snatched him out. Pants would have fell all the way down.
Bill Cosby,
Bats
man.
would have flew out. You know what I mean? He could have get it. But he handled himself like he should have. Hey, dummy.
That's it.
Cop and con.
Hey, keep binging, keep watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. Let's go. Woo. It's getting crazy.
It's getting nuts.